one, treat it like that, but it sends a message, no? Which is already coded. That's how our technology is now. No? 115 people or 117 million Filipino people could benefit, no? By just pressing that one button, which is coded. Okay. So ano yung mga purpose niya? Emergency alert, no? Or sa guards, I see the security guards. Sirs, di ba pag nagro-ronda kayo, no? I don't know if message nyo ba kung nasan kayong location? Hassle, di ba? More on radyo lang, ikot-ikot. But if you have a code red, no, na naka-deploy, say dito sa Bull Mega Mall, no, lalo yung overnight staff, code red can be installed and then you push the button every time nagro-ronda ka and it sends a message to the office. What does it mean? Yung tao ko na naka-deploy ng alauna ng madaling araw, umikot siya. Kasi all locations, pinindot niya. You don't do that by texting. Nandito na ako sa ground floor. Dito na ako sa second floor. Diba? Very practical. No? But very, very informative. Lalo kunwari small scale yan. Kunwari, I'm a business owner. No? Or may eskwelahan kami kunwari. Nag-ronda ba yung guard ko na binabayaran ko ng overtime, night differential, diba? Andun lang siya, tulog lang siya sa isang tabi, nagpe-Facebook. No? Ay, ilang beses nyo na busy nga ba kayo, District Commander? Ilang beses na kayo naka-balljack ng mga nagpe-Facebook, hindi natatawa siya. Na common issue, no? Puro kayo cellphone. But with Code Red, you could just press that, no? And send the message outright to your office. Okay, demo ho tayo, ha? One more pa pala. Doorbell. Actually, yung dyan sa yung entrance natin yung registration, Code Red could also be used, no, for registration. Kasi you could just send your name, your age, your whatever city you come in, just text it, and then Code Red will receive it. And then we'll send it to whoever is in charge. Okay. Yan.